Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Welcome back to Work Guitars. Got a little project this afternoon. I have this fretboard that I did this inlay on, and as you can see, I have some damage on it, which is really a bummer because the rest of it turned out good. And so I'm contemplating just breaking it back out and remaking that piece and putting it in there. But I thought, just for fun, I would try this. Mother of pearl powder. Ever seen any of this stuff? Mother of pearl powder? Probably difficult to see. But what it is actual crushed mother of pearl. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to put this powder down in those defective areas and flood it with some CA glue and then sand that flat and see what happens. But what I want to do first though is put something in here to, I thought maybe I ought to try to fill the fret slots with something. I don't have any like pieces of Teflon, which is the best way to do it. So I think I'm just going to go for it and I'll just saw it back out. So let's try this out. Let's see what happens. Put a little of this powder in there. See what we get. See if I can crush it down in there real good. Actually, it looks pretty good. Here, let me give you a close-up of what's happening here. Hold on. There, you can see that much better now. So what I've done is just taken some of this powder and I'm just pushing it down in there. Probably going to take a couple of tries and these defects. And I probably want to move the majority of what I don't need out of the way, unless I got to sand off, right? It was really just this one area here, right there. And I'm just crushing it down in there. I'll see what that does. I'll flood it with some CA glue. That little area right there, and right there. And we'll hit it with some hardener. Some sandpaper on there. Well, I'm not sure if I like that or not. You see where the damage was? I think it was worth trying it though, because you never know until you try, right? So, sand it a little better. Some finer sandpaper. Get some of the excess glue off of there, because of course it's flooded with glue as well. I'm just using this little 6-inch ruler to scrape the excess off. These little tools are great to have. Like one of my #1 tools. Good for all kinds of stuff. You know what? This might just work pretty good, actually. Some fire sandpaper. What do you think? I think that might work. You know, you can definitely see some of the dust from the wood gets down inside there. I don't know. Jury's out on that one. Gonna have to look at it and contemplate it. So the damaged area was in here. Oh, right there. You can see the difference. Non-damaged, damaged. I think what I'm going to have to do, yeah, you can see it. It looks kind of crappy. So, I was afraid of that. But I'm going to mess with it a little bit more, see if I can get it cleaned up some. Because maybe it just needs to be filled a little better and sanded a little better. I'll keep messing around with it and see what we get. You know what I mean? So I'll just keep goofing around with this a little and seeing if maybe if I scrape it down some, pull a little more in, do another coat. What happens is a lot of times when you're doing this kind of thing, the ebony gets all into it. And that's good in some places, not so good in others. We're going to work on that. If this doesn't work, I'm going to have to just bust that out and redo it. Because the rest of the guitar is ready. So, kind of a shame. These things do happen. I'm going to get back to it. I'm going to keep trying this and see if I can make it work. And I'll let you know how it turns out. All right? I'll see you guys next time. Okay, so I said I would give you an update on the mother of pearl. I went back and messed with it some more. And I'm going to have to say that it looks like crap. So that is not a way to fix broken or damaged mother of pearl. You may be able to take that stuff and put it in epoxy. Do something with it, I don't know what. They call it easy inlay. But I don't think we all know that anything that says easy on it, it's usually a fool's bet.